Well, hello. So, here's the problems from your worksheet that I looked over, and there are a couple problems with all of them. So what I did is I set them all up again, but I set them up in a way that's more familiar to you, because you've actually done this stuff before. So, number 2, that's the 40b to the ninth divided by negative 5b to the negative 2. And you've usually seen them given in this fraction form, so that's the form I decided to put them in. Now, to do this, you do each part separately. So we do 40 divided by negative 5, that's negative 8. And then we do b to the ninth divided by b to the second, so you subtract the exponents. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So negative 8 b to the 7th power. In number 3, we do the exact same thing. 6 divided by 3, remember each part separately, is 2. X squared minus x, 2 minus 1, that's 1, so just plain x. Y to the 4th divided by y squared, 4 minus 2, that's y squared. So the final answer, 2x y squared. Number 4, 60 divided by 4 is 15. G cubed divided by g is g squared. H to the 4th divided by h to the 4th just cancels right out. So they're gone. So your final answer, 15 g squared. And number 5, negative 126 divided by 14 is negative 9. A to the 11th divided by a is 11 minus 1, so a to the 10th. B divided by b to the 4th is 1 minus 4, so b to the negative 3. And c squared divided by c to the 6th power, c to the negative 4th. 2 minus 6, negative 4. Now, if your teacher doesn't want any negative exponents, what you would do is just rewrite this as negative 9 a to the 10th, and then a line, like a fraction. You'd write it as a fraction, basically. And then b to the positive 3, c to the positive 4, down below. So whichever form your teacher prefers, that's the one you do. It seemed like most of your mistakes were caused by rewriting the problem. So my advice is do as little rewriting as possible. And you probably won't run into, hopefully you won't run into that problem. I think doing it vertically like this is easier, so I actually prefer this setup. Plus I know you've seen this setup before. So feel free to go ahead and do it this way. It's the exact same problem, you're doing the exact same work. Alright, so those are problems 2 through 5. Those are the ones I saw that have been attempted on the worksheet. Now, let's go a little deeper, because the last few problems you hadn't tried. So let me do first I'll do number 7. Number 6 is just like numbers 2 through 5, so do the exact same thing with 6 that you did with 2 through 5. So for 7, we have 15x cubed plus 25x squared minus 2x. And all of that is divided by negative 5x. So what we're going to do is we're going to take each part and divide it by negative 5x, just like this. And then we just do it piece by piece. So it's basically like doing the first few problems, but 3 times. So 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. X cubed divided by x is x squared, 3 minus 1. Next part, 25 divided by negative 5 is negative 5. So because that's going to be negative 5, I'm going to take this plus and turn it into a minus. Otherwise, it's going to be plus negative. So minus 5, make sure that still looks like a 2, x squared divided by x is simply x. Then the last part, we have a minus 2x divided by minus 5, so it's plus, we'll say 2/5, 2 over 5, 2/5, that's all you have to do. X divided by x cancels out. So your final answer is negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 2/5. And that was question number 7. All right. I'll do one more. I'll do number 10 also. 10 just looks nasty. So same thing. We're not going to change up our process at all. So for number 10, there's just a lot of parts, bigger parts. That's all. But it's the same exact kind of thing. So we have 12 m to the 6th n to the 4th minus 30 m to the 5th n to 5 n to the 7th, then minus again 42 m to the 4th and n to the 6th. All right, and all of that is divided by negative 6 m to the 4th n to the 6th. So negative 6 m to the 4th n to the 6th minus negative 6, you can see where this is going, m to the 4th n to the 6th, and minus, or divided by negative 6 m to the 4th n to the 6th. All right, so again, piece by piece. 12 divided by negative 6 is negative 2. M to the 6th divided by m to the 4th is m squared. N to the 4th divided by n to the 6th is n to the negative 2. Next up, minus and minus, so that's going to be plus. 30 divided by 6 is 5. M to the 5th minus m to the 4th is just plain m to the 1st power. N to the 7th minus n to the 6th is n. Last step, minus and minus again becomes a plus. 42 divided by 6 is 7. And m to the 4th, n to the 6th each cancel out. So in the end, you're left with all this. Now, it's possible, again, your teacher doesn't want a negative exponent. Fine. We could rewrite it, if we choose, as negative 2m squared over n squared. Then it's just simply plus 5mn plus 7. And that's as far as you can go with it. All right, so either answer is acceptable depending on what your teacher wants. Okay, I hope all that helps. Good luck. Bye-bye.